1 billion children alive today, how will they be fed? 85% of the entire world is living in emerging markets today. They are the future of our Earth. And huge variations in the amount of protein they consume. 1 billion people will move from rural areas to cities in the next 30 years as part of a 100-year trend, which we are halfway through. When they arrive in things like this, megacities, and they live in slums, and they build the next emerging middle class. So how are we going to feed 11 billion people? Big question for you. What happens if they all want meals like this every single day? Can we industrialize farming on a scale we've never seen before? Is it even desirable to do so? Or do we need to find other ways to get protein for people which are more sustainable? And how will that affect farming? How will that affect land use? Can we find enough land to produce 10 times as much meat as we do today? To feed people who don't eat meat today, but will dream of meat every meal tomorrow? These are really, really big questions.